Welcome. My name is Max Hackman, and today I'm going to show you how to do a basic search in Academic Search Complete database. First thing we want to do after we get to the library's main webpage is scroll down and look on the right hand side of the page for the database link. Once you select that, we'll go to the alphabetical listing of all of our databases. Just scroll down, it should be the second one listed, Academic Search Complete. That'll open up a new tab. I've already logged in. If you have any issues logging in, you can look at the tutorial, or you can contact us either through chat or email, and we can help you with any problem you might have encountered. Once you get to this page, you have a number of different options here. There's a bunch of search options here on the front of the page. You can look at those, or you can just jump right in. Today I'm going to do a search on climate change, and as you can see, a bunch of different options pop up once you start typing. Make sure you check those out, especially if you have any trouble finding some good results. It's always helpful to check those out, those helpful suggestions. Once we do get the results page, so you can see right here at the top, we have over 108,000 results. All those limiters we saw on the front of the page are actually here on the side of the page now. One of the most common ones we use is the scholarly peer-reviewed journals. That's a great way to narrow down the results. Give it a moment here to update. And as you can see now, the results page is down to 78,000. So if you ever go too far and you get too few results, you can always hit the X here on the side and then go back. So that is a nice little option. Once you do find a resource you want to check out further, if you select the title, you'll go into the background or the detailed record. And that'll give you the title, the author, the source. The source is very useful to know how many pages the article is, which you can see here, the 9p. The longer the article, the more important the abstract or summary is to saving your time. So definitely check that out. You can go and look at the PDF full text if you just want to read it online, or download it that way as well. Over here on the right hand side of the page are some other useful tools. The permalink, this right here that'll pop up. This is the way to get back to this specific article. This is different from the time link, which is at the top of the page and will not be useful after this browsing session. So make sure you have that if you want to come directly back here. Also the citation here on the side as well. You can grab the citation right away to make sure you have that in case you're going to use it in your paper. These are machine generated, so make sure you double check what is being provided to you, but it's a great starting point. And the rest of the tools here are pretty self-explanatory. If you have any questions or you need help, please feel free to reach out either through chat or email. Thank you.